Hello students, welcome ulit sa online tutorial natin. So, continue tayo with problem number 5. So, sa problem number 5, we have the integral of square root of e to the power 3x. Actually, although calculus to, no, actually the algebra part is very important. I hope you will agree that we can actually, di ba, sinabi ko sa inyo dati na we can change the radical sign into an exponent. So basically, we have an exponent na 1/2. So ang idea nito is we just have an e to the power 3x raised to the power 1/2. Okay? And then if we will try to distribute, or if we will try to simplify this one, this will now be equal to 3 over 2x. Okay? So again, I hope we are okay with this one. Now, diretso na tayo ha sa derivative, sa integral. So sa integral part, we cannot directly use this one. So we can use substitution. We will let u be equal to 3 over 2x. However, I hope by now, I think pwede na natin idiretso, no? So, ito pa din yung answer natin. E to the power, ito lang. Yan. But meron tayong integrating factor, di ba? Now, for this to happen, we need to set, dapat itong instead of x, di ba, this is 3 over 2 dx. 3 over 2x. So, instead of dx, this should be 3 over 2 dx. So, para meron niyang 3 over 2 dx, we will multiply the whole function with 3 over 2. But we also need to have an a neutralizing factor of the reciprocal of 3 over 2 is 2/3. So, kaya yan, dapat merong 2/3. Okay? Plus c. So, again, I hope by now, medyo familiar na kayo para diretso na. But, again, if ever medyo mahirap pa, feel free to use method of substitution na. Pwede nyo sabihin na let u be equal to ito. Yan. And then du should be equal to 3 over 2 dx. And then substitution again. Where we can substitute, we will multiply this whole term by 3 over 2 para this term here, ito will become du. Diba ito? Magiging du to kasi papalitan natin ng du, but since we multiply it with 3 over 2, it should be neutralized with 2/3 here. So that basically we multiply the function with 1. Okay? And then yan. So your final answer will be ito. This will become u. This will become du. Okay, so your final answer will be 2/3 e to the power u plus c. Plus c, or you have 2/3. Yung u kasi natin is 3 over 2. Yan. So again it's up to you, but by now, usually para mas save kayo ng time ba, kasi especially during exams, medyo time constrained, it's best to shortcut na lang ha, kung obvious naman yung neutralizing factor. Sige, so check natin kung same ba sa answer key natin for problem number 5. Tama, same lang. Sige, so if you have any questions or clarifications, comment down below. Salamat sa panonood and see you sa next video natin. Problem number 6. Uy, hindi ko nalagay dito. This is problem number 5.